Hello everyone. I welcome you all to KR Welcome CBSE School Hudod online classes. In previous class we discussed one theorem and example problem. So today we will continue with exercise 9.3. So here in exercise 9.3 in first problem they have given one figure here. This is the triangle they have given. A, B, C, and this is point T and this is point E. So here they have given E is any point on median AD. Here this E is any point on median AD of triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, E is the any point on median AD. Show that area of area of this ABE triangle equals to area of ACE. So now they are given that AD is the median of triangle ABC. AD is median of triangle ABC. It will divide triangle ABC. This median AD will divide ABC will divide this median AD will divide triangle ABC into two triangles of equal areas. So this AD will divide triangle ABC into two triangles of equal areas. So that now we can write that area of triangle ABD triangle ABD equals to area of triangle ACD. And I will consider this as 1. This median AD is dividing this triangle ABC into two triangles of equal areas. Now, this ED is part of AD. This side here, this ED is part of AD. So that we can write ED is this ED is median in triangle EBC. Because this ED is part of AD, therefore we can write ED is median of triangle EBC. ED is median of triangle ABC. So now again, if this ED is median of triangle ABC, now we can write area of this EBD equals to area of ECD. These two triangles are equal in area. So here I will write therefore area of EBD Here you can see EBD equals to area of ECD, this triangle. Okay. So now I will consider this as 2. So now what we will do? Subtracting equation 2, we will subtract equation 2, this equation 2 from equation 1. So here I will write subtracting equation 2 from 1. So here in equation 1 what we have, area of triangle ABD equals to area of triangle ACD. Here in equation 2 we have area of triangle EBD. This is triangle EBD equals to area of triangle ECD. So now we are subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So that what we should write here, first we will consider left hand part only. We will consider left hand side only. So that area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle EBD. Area of triangle ABD. Here in equation 2 what we have? Area of triangle EBD equals to, now we will consider right hand part. So here area of triangle ACD, area of triangle ACD minus area of triangle, here in equation 2 area of triangle ECD. So now you can see here in diagram, they have given area on subtracting equation 2 from 1. What we got here, area of ABD minus area of triangle EBD. This is ABD and this is EBD equals to area of triangle ACD minus area of triangle ECD. So here you can see in diagram, area of triangle ABD means this part ABD minus area of EBD. EBD means this part. Here area of ABD minus area of EBD means what is remaining? This part. So what we can write here? Area of triangle ABE. See here carefully. Area of triangle ABD means this part minus area of triangle EBD means this part. So what we will get? This is remaining. So area of triangle ABE equals to, so here area of triangle ACD. ACD means here ACD means this complete part ACD. Next minus area of triangle ECD. ECD means this part again. So what is remaining? This ACE is remaining. So now we can write area of triangle ACE. ACE. Hence we proved area of triangle ABE equals to area of triangle ACE. How to prove this? They are given that AD is median, then this divides triangle ABC into two triangles of equal in area. Therefore, area of triangle ABD equals to area of triangle ACB. So this is considered as 1, and here this ED is part of AD, therefore ED is also median in triangle ECB or EBC. So here, if this ED is median, then you can say that area of EBD equals to area of ECD. So here we got equation 2. So here on subtracting equation 2 from 1, we got this. So here you can see area of triangle ABD means this complete triangle minus area of triangle EBD means this part. What you will get? Remaining part is ABE. So what you will get here? Area of triangle ABE equals to area of ACD means this complete triangle minus area of ECD means this triangle. So what you will get? ACE. So area of triangle ABE equals to area of triangle ACE. So now I will continue with next problem. So now here in second problem what they have given, in triangle ABC E is the midpoint of median AD. So we will consider one triangle ABC first. Second problem we will consider one triangle ABC and they have given that E is the midpoint of median AD. So there is one median AD and E is the any point on median AD. So here I will join B and E. Show that area of BED means we have to join BE. Area of BED equals to half of the area of 1 by 4 area of ABC. So here what they have given, here in this triangle ABC, E is the any point on median AD, so that we have to prove area of this BED equals to 1 by 4 area of ABC. So here AD is the median of ABC. AD is median of triangle ABC. So now we can write that therefore it will divide triangle ABC into triangle ABC into two triangles of equal area. So in previous problem, previous problem only, here you can see it will divide, this AD will divide triangle ABC into two triangles of equal area. Means you can write here area of triangle ABD means this triangle ABD equals to area of triangle ACD. So now, if these two triangles are equal in area, then we can write that area of triangle ABD, equals to 1 by 2 of area of triangle ABC. Here, if these two triangles are equal in area, means ABD area equals to ACD, then we can write that this area of ABD equals to half of the area of ABC. So here we have written area of ABD equals to half of the area of ABC. I will consider this as 1. So now we will consider in a triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, E is the midpoint of AD. So here this E is midpoint of AD, means we can write that BE is the median. So here I will write in triangle ABD, E is the midpoint of AD. E is midpoint of AD. Therefore, you can write that B is median. Then again, if this B is median in triangle ABD, then we can say that area of triangle BD equal to area of triangle ABE. So here I write area of triangle BED equals to area of triangle ABE. Triangle ABE. So here, if this B is median, then we can say that area of BED equals to area of ABE. These two equal in area. Then we can say that area of triangle BED equals to half of the area. This BED equals to half of the area of ABD, because these two triangles are equal in area. So that we can write area of this BED equals to half of the triangle ABD. And now we can write that area of triangle BED equals to 1 by 2. Here area of ABD equals to 1 by 2 into area of triangle ABC. So here in the place of area of triangle ABD I will write 1 by 2, because area of triangle ABD equals to 1 by 2 into area of triangle ABC. So here I will write 1 by 2 area of triangle ABC. This is from 1. Because from 1 what we got to know, area of triangle ABD equals to 1 by 2 into area of triangle ABC. So here I have written 1 by 2 into area of triangle ABD is 1 by 2 into triangle area of triangle ABC. So now finally we can write area of triangle BED equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 means 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. So 1 by 4 area of triangle ABC. Hence we proved what they have given here. So listen carefully again. Here this in triangle ABC, E is midpoint. This E is midpoint on median AD. So that if this AD is median, you can write that area of these two triangles means ABD and ACD are equal in area. So area of ABD equals to area of ACD. Here we have written. Now if this E is midpoint, and again If these two triangles are equal in area, then we can write that area of this ABD. If these two are equal in area, then area of this ABD equals to half of the area of ABC. So here we have written area of ABD equals to half of the area ABC, and we will consider this as 1. Now, if this E is midpoint on AD, then BE is median, and if this BE is median, then we can say that area of this BED equals to area of ABE. These two triangles are equal in area. So now we can write that if these two triangles are equal in area, then we can write that area of this BED equals to half of the area of triangle ABD. So here we have done this. Now area of triangle BED equals to 1 by 2 into area of ABD means 1 by 2 into area of ABC. Here we have written 1 by 2 into area of triangle ABC. This is from 1. So finally area of BED means triangle BED means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 means what we will get? 1 by 4 area of triangle ABC. Hence we proved what I have done. So I hope you are clear with these two problems. In next class I will continue with further problems of exercise 9.3. Thank you all.